The human body functions as an organic whole, with each part fulfilling its own specific responsibilities while being interdependent and mutually regulated. Proper health preservation ensures balanced development across all bodily systems, resulting in a healthy physique. A healthy body leads to vitality. With abundant energy, bone marrow is produced. Sufficient bone marrow generates an adequate supply of blood cells, which transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, kill germs, and expel them along with other waste. The above merely schemes the surface of human knowledge from a material perspective. While modern disciplines such as medicine, biology, and anatomy have detailed descriptions of the human body, many of its mysteries remain beyond scientific explanation. For example, every earthly resource has a corresponding code within the human body, suggesting that all treasures of the earth exist within us. To obtain wealth, one must first uncover these treasures within oneself. Once the corresponding code within your body is discovered, the related external resources will naturally come to you. Beyond these treasures, the human body also contains an infinite reservoir of toxins. The body is continuously undergoing not only physical but also chemical transformations. For instance, when you are angry, toxic, volcanic eruptions, primarily from the brain marrow, occur. If unchecked, these toxins can poison your entire system, impairing the functions of your vital organs and disrupting the flow of blood and energy. It is widely understood that when the earth enjoys clear skies, gentle breezes, and favorable weather, plants thrive and flourish. Conversely, under the scorching sun, violent winds, and unrelenting heavy rains, plants break, wither, or die. Animals rely on plants for survival, and humans depend on both plants and animals. The prosperity or decline of plants directly affects the survival of animals and humans. Similarly, when a person is calm, peaceful, kind, and compassionate, without significant emotional or physical disturbances, they can maintain a healthy and robust body. However, when jealousy, resentment, anger, sorrow, anxiety, fear, extreme joy, or deep sadness cause excessive emotional or physical fluctuations, illness, weakness, and even death can result. While the effects may not be apparent after 1 or 2 episodes, over time, the accumulation of small changes can lead to significant transformations. Gradually, health will deteriorate, potentially leading to severe illness that becomes difficult or impossible to cure. External factors that cause physical injuries and illnesses require modern medical treatment, but any illness arising from internal causes can be self-healed. Conditions such as insomnia, excessive dreaming, forgetfulness, mental confusion, incoherent speech, loss of consciousness, vegetative nervous dysfunction, heart palpitations, emotional turbulence, dizziness, and neuroses can not only be prevented but also treated through health preservation techniques. Furthermore, even so-called incurable diseases, such as cancer, leukemia, AIDS, and total paralysis, can be cured through health preservation practices. The key lies in one's mindset, confidence, faith, and consistent, strict adherence to health preservation principles over the long term. Health preservation is a science, not superstition. For better health, reduced medical expenses, and prolonged life, with ample time for self-improvement and cultivation, let us dedicate our free time to practicing health preservation. The following content is primarily extracted from the Book of Terrestrial Immortality. It is provided for your reference to use as you find beneficial. The mind as the sovereign of the body. When the body is calm, the spirit resides within it. When the body is restless, the spirit departs. Therefore, if one neglects the body but preserves the spirit, and maintains a focused, tranquil mind, the spirit will remain, aligning the body with the Tao and achieving longevity. The exhaustion of essence. Overexertion of the eyes depletes essence through vision, overuse of the ears depletes essence through hearing, excessive thinking depletes essence through thought. Only by detaching from external distractions can the spirit illuminate the inner self. Without striving for tranquility, one naturally becomes serene, unaffected by praise or blame, good or evil. A calm mind leads to emptiness, and in emptiness, the Tao manifests. The spirit in every part of the body. The body is nourished by the flavors of food, while the spirit is nourished by the essence of food. If one consumes the essence at the right times, the whole body will follow the natural order. Our body is inhabited by divine spirits, the spirit of brilliant light, the spirit of form and shadow, and the spirit of the pores, each numbering 12,000. The internal organs and the 3 essentials and 9 palaces all have their spirits. If we do not see these spirits, we do not recognize their ability to bring fortune or misfortune, and thus we do not show proper respect or reverence. To be cruel, restless, or excessively greedy and deceitful is to harm these spirits. To speak falsehoods or insult others, believing it will go unnoticed, is to obscure these spirits. Our spirits are connected to the heavens. Harming these spirits is to offend the heavens, and obscuring these spirits is to deceive the heavens. Offending and deceiving the heavens leads to premature death. By maintaining central harmony and unity, and refining the yin with the yang, the divine spirits will flourish. When the divine spirits flourish, one can ride the 8 poles, ascend the 5 sacred mountains, rise through the 9 heavens, pass through the jade gates, and achieve longevity comparable to that of heaven and earth. The practice of retaining vital fluids. During the day, swallow spiritual fluids; at night, absorb true energy. Over time, the energy will naturally circulate within the 3 chambers of the body, resonating like the sound of waves.